Hi everyone, it's Kellie Klein here in sunny California. I am with Sire Industries Incorporated out of Napa, California. I wanted to let you know that we have a full supply of EZ Street Asphalt. It is carried in loose bulk, 1-ton super sacks, and 50-pound bags. Some of the features of this great product are that it is permanent, guaranteed. It works in water, it's very easy to use, and it has a shelf life of about 6 months to a year. In these times of social distancing, it is so easy. Your first step would be to sweep out any of the loose debris in the pothole. Your second step, open up a bag of EZ Street and pour it in the pothole, and leaving it about a 1-inch lip for compaction of traffic. And your third step would be to go ahead and just jump in your vehicle, and you want to run over it a few times to get your compaction. And that's it. That's how simple it is and easy to use. So if you have any questions whatsoever about our EZ Street Asphalt, please don't hesitate to call me at 707-346-0369. Have a great day. Happy potholing. Bye.